Putin is crazy, he can really press the button. Every time the world thinks, no, Putin cannot go this far, he cannot do that, he does. The world did not think it would annex Crimea, but it did. That he would not start a war in Donbass, but he started it. He would not launch a full-scale offensive on Ukraine, and he did. Now, we are faced with another daunting question: Putin will never press the red button of nuclear war. Or not? Now this question is not just theoretical. The Russian leader has put the nuclear forces on alert, complaining about aggressive statements by NATO leaders. I tell anyone who is thinking of intervening from the outside, that if you do, you will face very serious consequences than you have ever seen in history. Putin's words sound like a direct threat to nuclear war, said Nobel Peace Prize laureate Dmitry Muratov, editor-in-chief of the Novaya Gazeta newspaper. This threat, according to him, practically shows that if Russia does not get the treatment it wants, everything will be destroyed. Putin's statement, however, implies that he has no plans to use terrible weapons, except to repel Western intervention. What if he chooses the nuclear option? Will anyone close to him try to convince him otherwise, or even stop him? Muratov emphasizes that this is unlikely to happen, as political elites, as he puts it, are never with the people but take the side of the ruler.